Here's how you can use GoIPO to invest in a current IPO if you already have an NCB Capital Markets investment account. Using your Google Chrome browser, navigate to goipo.jncb.com. Select Apply for an IPO. Choose the IPO you want by clicking View Details. Review the IPO details. Select Apply Now for the desired share pool. If you have access to personal online banking via www.jncb.com, then select NCB Online Customers. But if you do not have personal online banking via www.jncb.com, you must select All Other Customers. We have this process covered in another video. Enter NCB personal online banking credentials. Review terms and conditions and accept to use GoIPO. Before entering your investment amounts, check the funding account options at the bottom of your screen. Step 1. Enter investment amount inclusive of fees. GoIPO will automatically calculate equivalent shares and other charges. Select your JCSD account number from the list or add a JCSD account number. As an existing NCBCM client, your JCSD number will be listed in the drop-down menu. Note that this is a one-time setup. Select Save and Continue. Step 2. Select your funding account. Click Save and Continue. Step 3. Select your Dividend Mandate, which allows you to receive dividend payments to your bank or investment account. Click Save and Continue. If you have not received the allocated amount, the remaining proceeds will be returned to the selected bank or investment account. Step 4. Review your application summary. If you are a joint account holder, each person has to sign the application form electronically or via printed copy. This should be uploaded. Following this, you must agree to the terms and conditions ahead of submitting your application. Click Submit Application. You will not be allowed to edit or cancel once submitted. Make note of your reference number to help track your application. Need more information? Text GoIPO to 876-383-1729 or call 876-881-9382 or 876-881-9381.